Alright, it's your boy Jay Will back with another video. In this video, I'm gonna make it short and sweet. Just ask y'all a few questions. I'm making an OnlyFans account for affiliate marketing. I need you guys to comment below and let me know what you want to see on this OnlyFans. I'm thinking about charging anywhere between 15 to 25 bucks a month. And my OnlyFans channel, I'm gonna give away a few free campaigns, websites that I've been using, making money from. Just let me know what you guys want to see, and I'll post it. A lot of people been asking me for, they'll pay me for mentorship. They want me to make a course, and to be honest, I really don't have time to do that. I'm busy throughout the day. I do a lot of stuff in one day. So I came up with the OnlyFans idea. I'm gonna try to post on OnlyFans at least 3 to 4 times a week and drop knowledge that I don't leave on YouTube. So you will want to subscribe. Gonna be very, 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 very good content on there. So let's get to it. So comment below, like, subscribe. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you guys are interested. You guys have a good day.